credit repair legal, and is it worthwhile?
So the answer is yes, credit repair is absolutely legal when done legally. It's a heavily regulated industry. So folks that tell you that they can guarantee they're going to get something removed, or they can do it, quickly, or they promise to take a bankruptcy off your credit report completely, those folks are not operating legally. At Credit Repair Resources, we're licensed, bonded, and insured, and we operate within all the bounds of all the various laws that govern our industry. So is it legal? The answer is yes, if it's done legally. And is it worth it? I think it's worth it from the standpoint of, look, you can do your own credit repair, just like I could change my own oil on my car. If I go to change my own oil on my car, I know three things for certain. Number one, it's going to take me a lot longer than it should. Number two, I'm probably going to make a mess. And number three, I've got about a 50% chance I'm going to get it done right. The same things apply to repairing your own credit. Over 50% of the people that try and repair their own credit get confused and discouraged and quit before they complete the process. So that's why I encourage everyone, at least talk to a credit expert. Consulting with Credit Repair Resources, there's no charge to have a consultation with us. And then if we can help you, we can have a further conversation.